Hey guys, my name's Yusuf and I'm with the Collectiv team. As always, we're making sure to share all sorts of tips and tricks with all apps and tools within Microsoft 365 to help keep you on top of all the new things and cool stuff you can do within this great environment of apps. Today what I'm going to show is how to manage your tasks from different task tools within Microsoft Teams. So I love using all sorts of things like Planner and To-Do and flagging emails, all that kind of stuff. And before, it used to be a little disconnected because there's these different apps you have to go to get one single view. Well, now there is a new update that allows you to see all this great stuff in one place. When you're in Microsoft Teams, you can easily view all your tasks by clicking, if you don't have it already, More Apps, and I can see Planner. Now this is, as of October 2020, it's called Planner, but there will be an update soon where the name will change to Tasks. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to select Planner. Now what I can see is this is a combination of Planner and To-Do. I could also flag emails. It's a really, this is a super great tool. I live by it. Obviously not in this view, but what you can do is I can click Tasks. Now these are all the tasks I can add. It's my To-Do. So if you use To-Do in Outlook, all those that you add in Outlook, you'll be able to see here. I can easily add a new task. And when I see that task, I can double click. I can edit it at any time. I can make a checklist. So these are great if you want to add a couple of things you need to check off for that specific task just to ensure you completed everything. I can put priority, due date, notes. And these are going to be tasks that are for me specifically. So this is not necessarily a collaborative list of items. Let me put a due date here. And I can easily check this off when it's completed. Planned, when I click on planned, I can see things like my team planner tasks. So planned are really your planner tasks. So if you have any planner tasks that you've set up or plans, you would also be able to see all those there. And what I can see are things assigned to me. So all that, any of them, regardless of the plan, I can see them all listed and what's assigned to me. Like I said, this is a really great thing you can use because now you finally have everything in one view. You can switch between active, completed. You can filter things out by due date, priority. It really just brings the best of what you had in Planner and what you had in the to-do list all in one spot, easy to manage. One of the things too is you can also flag emails, and you can have flagged emails as a task. So you now have this super hub of all your to-dos, tasks, plan tasks, all that kind of stuff. So you're not jumping between different apps anymore. Now you guys can go ahead and get everything organized and start adding all your tasks and setting up team planner tasks and all that fun. Hope you guys learned a little something from this video. And to keep up with all our videos, follow the Collectiv team on social media. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.